What's up, YouTube? So I got this amazing snake rack the other day. Finally been working hard to find one I could afford. Parameters are all good. It's got nice heat tape in the back. Everything seems to be working well with it. Emit ate an escaped mouse earlier this week because I had a male that just kept breaking out. He broke out 5 or 6 times, so that was getting kind of frustrating. So he ate earlier in the week. We don't really need to feed him. I got this rat pup that I have a female downstairs with 5 pups. Marco is definitely ready to eat, so we're gonna give him his meal here. It's just how this is gonna go, I guess. I don't know where Marco is, so. Could be under here. It doesn't feel like it. Possibly. Yeah. Marco is definitely in his hide. Even though it is time to shed, maybe he's just not hungry today. We'll see. Oh, that's why. Marco's in the back of the enclosure here. That would explain a lot. I'm sure Marco knows it's time to eat. Where are my tongs at? Maybe he's just taking a week off. He doesn't like it is a new setup and all that, so thinking about offering this one to the one underneath him, Emit. Oh no, he's hungry. He knows. I saw that switch go. There we go. Wake up, buddy. He does look like his eyes might be blue a little. He's starting to cloud up. Gonna be a long video. I know this guy kind of likes his privacy, but let's see how this goes. Oh. We are gonna offer this mouse or rat to someone else if he doesn't want it. Trying not to get bit here. Come on up. Put it back in there. Let him figure this out. Usually doesn't take rats for me, actually. So that doesn't surprise me, but he's gonna have to start getting used to rats. But for content purposes, and you know, snakes need to eat. We'll see how this goes. Would be surprised if he ate. He has, oh, he's gonna eat for me. Shocking. So fucking big, this snake. That's that for you. Big surprise. Emit eats again. Marco skips a meal.